And Beniface, you can only correct your mistake once you accept the fact that you have offended. Once you admit your errors, then you can correct your mistakes. NPP government in 2025 about no omuko opposition. Yes, according to some people, there were chaos and tension within the NPP government or within the NPP as a political party. Na emono, anabusia, Canada, Agyapong, honorable, oko PM, tech, Enra, University. The honor and the ensim, to the IS one. He called for unity among the NPP. And the two, also the Agyapong. And I got to Ghana for you name Tescon. I work here, say, Muslim woman, Bonnie NPP there, or Mfanche. And after those are the encourage more NPP for you say. So NPP near and more Bemumu. No, monsieur, let you open a Kunyan 2028. They are coming like a kai. I have Penyah Block Media. Best of any day. Over like a video, rather by subscribe button. So now back like a notification icon for latest updates. Now bet you in the moment or comment section. Let's also baswa. Over share video among us so any be ashe. It's before 2024 though. Somewhere in 2022, but not Canada Agyapong. On MP before your banter here. I'm quite that but memo showdown. A good for memo showdown. No grudge, hard one. I know Ben say, came on the party no at 10 one as I will free one as. But at the end of the day, when you are free party, I say, but that's it in Toma Abo Mudi campaign 2024. But unfortunately, at the end of the day, no, Omo Elusi, Omo seat, just a Mokuyan, Omo, and only a central member of parliament, Omo Elusi, Omo Bibia. Now, Yato Berry, I want for and send me the NPP, MP party, man, and say, do us for doing this treatment, NPP demand the kind of bad treatment NPP at the man when they were on power. Now, Nini Mono, and then Canada Agyapong a comprecon, or anyway, no see Mame and calling unity among the NPP because without unity we can never win power.
All protocol observed. Indeed, it's a joy and a great day to be here to see young men and women belonging to NPP fraternity or party. Just few months ago, we were despaired. We had no hope. But what I'm seeing here today is an indication to me that NPP, Tescom, is reborn. I was in Kintampo last month, and the students lamented how NPP party treated Tescom when we were in power. I pleaded with them, and I'm doing same here. On behalf of NPP party, I sincerely apologize for whatever we did to Tescom. With all this, I see the spirit in you that you belong to NPP. The freshers that are here present. You have seen young men who were Tescom members, and after school, the positions they held is an indication that NPP is still a good political party and the only party that can save Ghana's economy. So to the freshers, I want to inspire you that all is not lost. Do not think we are in opposition and therefore you are going to join a party in power. I want to assure you, they have nothing to offer you. Stay where you are, have confidence. This is not the first time we've been in opposition, but we've come back very strong. So I'm pleading with you that nobody should lose hope and decide to leave NPP Tescom to join TAIN or any other political fraternity. On behalf of NPP, I want to assure you that at any point in time that you organize such programs, we'll be here to support. We've learned our mistakes, and I feel so guilty when Oforikro Member of Parliament was talking about the good works you did for him to win the Oforikro seat. Then I posed a question: what happened? What did we do wrong? This is a time that we have to sit back and reflect soberly all the mistakes we made and correct them. And if we do so, I assure you, the future of this country in 2028 will be handed over to Ghana, to NPP. I want to assure you that all is not lost, but defeat teaches you a lesson so that you don't make same mistakes again. So let this defeat be a lesson to us, so that when we correct our mistakes, we become a better party. And anybody who holds a position will also remember that when we were there in the woods, there were young men who sacrificed their life to bring NPP to power again. Talking to friends, colleagues, just so soon we have learned our lesson. So TESCOM, let you be the mouthpiece on campus. When the patron was speaking, he made mention of 100,000 students here. I charge you what was said in Matthew 28:19. And it says, go and make disciples of all nations. I'm commissioning you as the disciples of NPP. Go and win souls for NPP. Do not sit back. Do not lose hope. Because the only political party who assures you of your future is NPP party. So the youth of this country, we are coming back strongly with all lessons learned. So please, today I've built more hope because of the students I see and the excitement, how you welcome us. Indeed, NPP will forever be grateful to TESCOM. Clap for yourself. The old members, the leaders of the party, they are all watching you. What is happening in this hall? It inspires them and gives them courage. Because most of them are discouraged. They think we can never come to power. It is not possible. We will definitely come to power in 2028. But we need to work hard. We need to work very hard. And what I always say is that if NPP will come to power, without unity, even if you bring Jesus Christ to lead NPP, we'll lose. So our cardinal focus should be unity. In politics, we offend each other. Let's put it behind us. The only people who become better people in society are those who are able to forgive their friends and brothers who offend them. Anybody that feels I've offended him, I apologize. Anybody who feels he has offended me, I have forgiven him. We need to come together and become one formidable force that is ready to fight. It's not going to be easy in 2028. It's going to be tough. But with unity, I assure you, we have the men. We'll gather the men, put them together, and there will be a showdown. So do not be despaired. Have hope. Have confidence that what any political party has done to come to power, NPP can do it too. And we are definitely coming back. I say these words to encourage you to go back, reflect soberly what went wrong, and what are the solutions that caused our defeat? We all know. So let's refrain from the past or what we did to send us to opposition and forge ahead with unity. And with unity, I assure you, we have done it before, and we are going to do it again in 2028. We can only do this when our young men and women here take the forefront, go house to house, speak to friends, brothers, families, to give another opportunity to NPP. Let me tell you something. NPP is a capitalist party. We believe in capitalism. But a capitalist party, surprisingly, all social interventions that changes the poor people's life are introduced and implemented by NPP. The so-called socialists, the moment they win power, tend to be capitalists and amass wealth at the expense of the poor people. Wake up. Wake up. We are not going to repeat the mistake in 2024. I assure you. And we will be able to come back. So please, one policy that I appreciate, and forever and ever I'll be grateful to NPP, is free SHS. I know most of you here benefited from free SHS. And if not NPP, probably you wouldn't have had opportunity to come here. The greatest gift any human being can give you on earth is free education. So NPP at least has shaped your life for good. It did happen. We have to admit that economy was tough, and therefore parents, friends, brothers forgot the foundation that NPP built for our children and unborn children. But it has happened. We've lost. Let's put it behind us. But we should constantly remind Ghanaians that the greatest gift that any human being can give you on this earth is free education. I had friends who were brilliant, smarter than me, but those days there was no free education and they couldn't go to secondary school. Some of them became palm wine tappers, some of them went to Ofidunkwa, did all kinds of jobs. But if Akufo-Addo's NPP government was there, I believe that these same classmates of mine would have been somebody. But today, when you see them, you feel so sorry for them. When you cast your mind back to our classroom, their contributions and their performance, and because they did not have anybody to take care of them, now they cannot make ends meet. So please, take consolation in the fact that through NPP policy of free SHS, you are in the university. Don't let anybody entice you with money. And how much can they give you for you to vote for them? They promised you heaven. Is that the heaven we are seeing today within these 3 months? Is that the heaven we are seeing within 3 months here? Even the first 3 months, look at what is happening. So you can imagine the 4 years, the challenges we are going to go through. But it has happened. Let us fortify ourselves, brace ourselves for the challenges, and we shall overcome.
Agyapong ko pemu e wotek or the to Ghana phone wiasa for na ubia enim. He called unity among the NPP party and also Sre Boniface ma NPP party and say what Sre Ghana for. Boni BNP bro o BNP are formed in one way or the other no. Monfanche, what I say, Monfanche. And about that NPP for inquest, free monko, trying the Musa Trump and Nepa Edomani 2028 or Rishimu say NPP will come back to power to correct all mistakes. So, why your mama ever comment section? Hi, Penyah Blog Media. Background.